Hello, we're going to make a video. This video will demonstrate connecting to a computer being used in the fall 2025 ECE 350 class. In this video, a connection will be made using the remote desktop protocol from Windows 11 to Linux. This video will also provide information on how to do a password change. You will want to change your password after your initial login to the computer you are assigned to. Okay, so we're going to connect using remote desktop protocol, and first thing to notice here is we're connected using the Cisco AnyConnect VPN into Lehigh. I'm working from home, so that Cisco VPN is necessary. You need to be on the Lehigh network in order to access these servers for the ECE 350 class in fall 2025. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to come down and we're going to, in the search bar here, we're going to type in remote desktop, and you can see the remote desktop connection app popped up. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on that. And so we're going to actually click on this option here that says, or this thing here that says show options, and that expands and gives us the ability to put in a little bit more information. So the machine that I'm going to demonstrate on is ECE 350.ece.lehigh.edu, and I'm going to go in with my user ID. Your user ID will match your Lehigh user ID. So I'll put in DPM3. Now the one thing that'll be different is the password. I'm not going to click on saving credentials. You can, but I'm not going to. And I'm going to go ahead and click connect. And it comes in up here, and it's saying that it doesn't have the public half of the encryption key saved. Do I want to continue? And I'm going to go ahead and I'll click yes. Okay, so now it comes up and it says finish the authentication. If you hadn't put in DPM3 in the previous screen, the username and password would be blank. Or if you hadn't put in your user ID, I should say, the username and password would be blank. But since I put in my username in the previous screen, it populated the DPM3. And it's asking me to authenticate. And I'll go ahead and type in my temporary password. Okay, if I type that in correctly, let's see what happens. We'll give it a second. And it popped up with the FCE desktop on the machine ECE 350-02. Now what I would like to do is I would like to change my password something away from the temporary password that I was given. So I clicked on the terminal icon down here at the bottom, and it came up with a terminal. And let me go ahead and just hold down the Control Shift at the same time and hit the plus sign, and that will make the terminal a little bit bigger and easier to see. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll type in PASSWD. So now it's asking me to type the password that I logged in with. Okay, now I'm going to give myself a new password, a password that I can more easily remember. Obviously, some numbers and special characters help. It will help make it more secure with numbers and special characters. Okay, and let's just test one or two things here. We'll just type gedit. Okay, so that's not found. Okay, yeah, so there's Yeah, so this doesn't have a lot of programs on it, but and I may add some just for testing purposes. But anyways, so that's how you log in, and that's how you change your password. And hope this was helpful. Thanks for listening. Oh, to get out, I forgot, just type exit, and that will close that screen. And then come up here in the top right-hand corner, click on your name, and then click log out. And then here, you see the other things are grayed out. So just click the log out button. And there, the remote services, desktop services have ended. And now I'm back to the initial screen. Again, thanks for listening, and I hope this was helpful.